name is Krishna Satya. We are staying in Hyderabad, Bachupalli area. We have a villas community here, APR Pranav Antilia, and we are living in this community from the past 4 years. In my home, we have an elders. So this construction is a 2-storied building, that is a G+2. So because of the elder people, we are looking for the lift provision because 2 stairs is difficult for them to climb. So for this reason, we are searching for the different kind of lifts. Most of the lifts are we need to break the walls, then only we need to construct from outside, and mason work is also very much required. While staying in the home, that is very difficult to manage with the work and taking care of the children and with the mason work. So because of all this, at the time we are exploring, we got to know this Nibav Lifts. For this, we don't have any mason work, and it is a very compact and easy to assemble the lift. So because of the main reason, we are going for this Nibav Lifts. So after it is a very easy to climb these G+2 building for not only the elders, for everyone we are using nowadays. So it is easy to go to the second floor. So it is I really recommend it to everyone. So for G+2 or G+1 is also, it is a very recommendable. And here we have an option like a G+1, G+2 and G+3. So I am purely recommend this Nibav Lifts when it is a very minimal work of mason, and it is very compact area. Using also it is very easy for me as I am experiencing for that.